Hi guys, I'm back. I'm up early this morning, getting ready to do my long-awaited unboxings. I have been collecting dolls for 2 years, or buying dolls for 2 years, and have not opened hardly any of them. But today's the day. So I decided to start a series called Out of the Box, where I get my dolls out of the box and onto the shelf. I thought it would be fun to document my doll collecting journey and share it with you guys. I thought it would be interesting to look back and see how I grow and change as a collector. I will be opening all my dolls and other random toys that are associated with my doll collecting, because I don't just collect dolls, I collect other toys and stuff too. But yeah. I also wanted to get into doll photography. I do have an Instagram, but I haven't really posted a lot over there yet, so I'll be posting more over there. I'll probably put my clearance finds on Instagram also, just so it'll be faster and easier for me to let you guys know about the clearances that I find. Also, let me know that you came from my YouTube channel. I'll follow you back. Okay, before we get started with the unboxings, I wanted to show you how my shelf looks now before I start opening the dolls, and then I'll show you how my shelf looks after I've opened the dolls. I did this shelf in like a Valentine theme around Valentine's Day. Keep in mind that these are the only dolls that I have out of box, so I don't have that much to work with. Then I started this next shelf in a winter theme. I took out a lot of dolls that were winter themed, but I didn't finish opening them. So I will continue to open the winter themed dolls. The first doll I'll be unboxing is this 18-inch Elsa doll. I bought this doll probably last year around this time. This doll comes from the first series of 18-inch Illy dolls. Here's how the box looks from the side. And here's a look at the doll inbox. Okay, here she is straight out of the box. She has a little bit of box hair. This is how her hair looks from the back. I think they separated it to display all her hair in the front, like when she's being displayed in the box. Her hair feels and looks really soft and shiny. But yeah, I carefully took these strips, these sewn in strips out, and then I just moved her hair back in place. Her dress also had snags and a couple of holes in them, so I think the quality of her skirt can be a little bit better. Her top and her jacket is very well made. She also has a really good weight to her. But overall, I think the quality of this doll is really, really good. She's so pretty. I really love this doll. The next doll I unboxed was Abby from Monster High. This will be my first Monster High unboxing. I really like Abby. She's one of my favorite dolls. I really love her color scheme. Here's Abby straight out of the box. My first thoughts on Abby is that she is a really pretty doll. Like I said, I really like her color scheme. But she was also kind of light, like her legs felt hollow, but her upper body felt solid and it had weight to it. So I don't know why they made the legs hollow. I don't know if that's just a Monster High thing. They make the body solid and the legs hollow. But I would like for them to make both parts solid. I feel like the doll feels better in your hand that way if it has a little weight to it. Her face screening is really good. Her makeup looks really nice. She has poly hair. her outfit is pretty well made, except for the material on her sleeves. It's the same material used on Elsa's skirt. I'm really not a fan when companies use this material as like tulle or mesh or something, because over time the wear and tear will make holes in this material. Overall, Abby is a really pretty doll. I really love her. The last dolls I have to unbox in this video is the LOL OMG Winter Disco dolls. I got these dolls on sale during Black Friday. The first doll I'll take a look at is Snowlicious. She's the reason I bought this pack because it's hard to find her for a reasonable price now. So I was really happy to get her. Here's everything she comes with. She comes with a lot of pieces. I'm really impressed with these LOL dolls. Their outfits are very well made. Her face looks really nice, very well painted, very cute. I think her hair is nylon. I'm not really sure. I'm not familiar with the different hair types. But I think I hear people say it's nylon, but it's really soft and nice. I really love it. Okay, once again, I really like this doll. I highly recommend her. Okay, up next is Cosmic Nova. Now, she was really different. I didn't think I was going to really like her, but after I got her out of the box, she was really fun and different. Here's the pieces that she came with. She also came with a lot of pieces. I think her face screening is fun. She has pretty pink glitter lipstick and eyeshadow. Her outfit is interesting. I'm pretty sure I'll change her into something else because that's one of the reasons I started collecting, is so that I can change the dolls into outfits that I like for them to wear. I think her hair is poly. It has a little bit of gel in it to hold the hairstyle, but I think maybe it's poly because of the shiny color that they had to use. Maybe it doesn't come in saran or nylon, but I won't be taking her hair down, so it's okay with me. Both dolls also came with their little sisters. These are also really cute, and I've started a collection of those. Stay tuned to see my collection. Okay, yeah, so I feel like Rainbow High dolls and LOL dolls are my top dolls when it comes to the quality of the doll. Okay, that brings me to the end of my video for today. These dolls are super cute. I really love these two dolls too. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.